Hi, thank you very much for tuning in. So I'm cooking. I think I've got a couple of these similar videos, but they change over time, the techniques used, etc. But this is going to be really exciting. This is one of Britain's classic dishes, so chicken tikka masala. So to make this tikka marinade, I will post the link for the video. It's really easy to make on the comments section of this video, and all the ingredients are also in the description of the video. I've got 1 kilo of chicken thigh cut up into nice digestible pieces here, and these are going to be marinated overnight in the fridge, and I'm going to come back tomorrow. Hopefully it's a sunny day. I'm sure it will be. It's always good to be optimistic. I'm going to get the barbecue on, and I'm going to cook and char these over hot coals, and I'm going to make a classic tikka masala, chicken tikka masala. So I'm just going to give that a good stir. Everything's well mixed, and that is going in the fridge overnight with some foil on the top, and we shall return tomorrow and get these beauties onto the barbecue and then into a sauce. After a 24-hour marination, it's time to get onto the skewers. I wish I had the flat metal skewers. I definitely will buy some next time I see some. But anyway, let's get the barbecue lit. So I've waited for my coals to stop smoking. It took about half an hour. Chicken tikka on the skewers, on the barbie brush, intermittently with a little ghee. And we're going to turn that, cook it to perfection, and we'll make our great sauce that this is going to go into. So let's make the sauce for this great chicken tikka. I'm using ghee, use sunflower oil, rapeseed oil, vegetable oil, it really doesn't matter. So let's crackle some cumin seeds. I'll put all the ingredients in the description of the video. Next, in with some tomato puree. Put the ginger and garlic paste in as well. And fry that off for a minute or two. So just as that's frying down, my tikka is fully cooked. I'm going to be taking it off the skewers. Next we're going to add some freshly ground coriander, some chili powder, and the salt. I'm just going to cook that out until it's really bubbling. And you can really smell those ingredients, especially that freshly ground coriander. There's nothing like it. So what I have here is a mix of tandoori masala and mixed powder, both Taste of India brand. Going to add about 4 tablespoons. We've got quite a large curry. We've got 1 kilo of chicken, remember, so I'm just going to stir that in. So we've got our concentrated paste there. And I made a new batch of base gravy last night. Made it the night before actually. And we definitely need to start adding that. A good amount of base gravy. It's the base gravy, it's on the channel. It has a picture of Taste of India, British Indian mixed powder on the thumbnail of the video. It's a really, really good one, in my opinion. So I've just added a litre of base gravy. I'm using a large pan. Just want to stir those ingredients and get it on a really good temperature. You can see the oil splitting already, which is a good sign. So I just want this really, really hot now, and we shall return, and in the meantime I'll be de-skewering, or taking my chicken off the skewers. Chicken. So quite a lot of work has gone into this. The base gravy, at least 2 hours. Marinating in the chicken, 24 hours. So that's 26 hours of work, not including what we've done here today with the barbecuing of the chicken, etc. So I understand that lots of people will be not brave enough to endeavour on such a food journey. It takes, you know, it's over a day's work so far, but you've got to work for it if you want the great results. So that's just going to bubble away and come to a ferocious temperature. We can put some kasuri methi in. I haven't scrunched it. That's really going to give a nice aroma as well. We'll come back in perhaps 4 or 5 minutes. Great thing about cooking outdoors is just splashing absolutely everywhere, as a good curry should be. Let's put some Garam Masala in and some cream. About 150 mils of cream. If we've just changed that sauce, and it'll look more like a chicken tikka masala. Nice and creamy, and a good standard curry that most people enjoy, not too hot. Touch more cream, and just let that bubble away for a couple of moments. It's bubbling away nicely. Not too oily, so a little bit of split oil there, and that's ready to serve. A little bit of coriander on later, and really appreciate you viewing. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to like, share and subscribe. So I really appreciate the fact that people like to see the finished product. Pity the sun's not out. Ambient lighting and photography is really good, but yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching.